In this edition of the 2019 year-end subscription box mini marathon, we're going to be taking a look at the Battlbox Mission 58. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. This video is sponsored by Hog Holsters, the concealed carry holster I wear every single day. And I'm proud to call John Abbott of Hog Holsters not only one of my sponsors, but one of my very best friends. John still makes every holster individually by hand with a kind of craftsmanship that is rarely found in this day and time. And the viewers of this channel can save 10% on any purchase at Hog Holsters over $30 by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word. So I encourage you to check out Hog Holsters. I don't think you'll be disappointed. That's Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Okay, here is the white balance destroying December the 2019 Battlbox. This is actually Mission 58. I'm gonna step this out of the way now so it's not messing up the white balance on the camera. We'll talk about this. So first of all, if you're not familiar with Battlbox, it's a monthly subscription box with 4 different levels. We have Basic, Advanced, Pro, and Pro Plus, or Knife of the Month. And they always give you this card in here. It tells you what's in each level and the prices, the values that are assigned to them. Usually that's going to be list price. And on the back, it's got kind of like just a kind of mission card that tells you the thought process that went into it. So if you want to read that, you can pause it and read it. But anyway, so first of all, each level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff is the way it works. So the basic box this month is the lowest price, and the first item in the basic box is the Shaun with the Wild Settler's Wrench. Let's take a look and see what that is. And basically, okay, pretty stinking cool. I like this a lot. I know this is like a Bushcraft staple, and if I can get it out of here, I'll show you what it is. So it is basically it is a auger bit, boring bit that you can put a piece of stick through there or whatever and make holes, which is really good if you're trying to make stuff in the wilderness, that you can bore a hole with a functional modern bit on it, but you don't have to have any power tools for mortise and tenon or for joining different types of wood together, which is pretty cool. And it comes in this really nice leather holster here, which is also pretty cool. They're giving this a $75 value, which I think is fair. I know these, between buying the bits and the manufacturing and the welding of these, I think that's pretty cool. Plus it's got the nice leather case with it. The next item in the basic box is also pretty stinking cool. It is a Battlbox branded combination little mini safe. This is pretty cool. And this is combination lock, so if you open it up, it's going to tell you how to set the combination, and then it's going to have this little cable here that you can also wrap around something and lock in. So not only can you put your stuff in here and keep it locked, but you can also secure this to, in a car or whatever, secure it around your seat or your seat bracket or whatever. So that's pretty cool. They're giving this a $25 value, which I think is really fair. And then the next item and the final item in the basic box is a Lord & Field Bushcraft Arrowhead necklace, and it is basically this nice little necklace toggle here that looks like a ferro rod, and then this actually, you can pull this up through here like so, pull that out like so. It's all looped, so you got to take it all apart to get it out of here, but it's a little arrowhead that you can use to make yourself an arrow for survival, which is pretty cool. And they're giving that a $25 value also, which I think is pretty neat. So you got it both an arrowhead you can make an arrow out of, and a little striker, and you can wear it around your neck, which is neat. So that brings the total value for the basic level box this month to $124.98. I think the basic is like $30, so pretty good value there. The next level is the advanced level. The advanced level, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is one item. It is a Bastion Gear Gentleman's Folder. And let's get this thing out of there. That looks, so far, I'm telling you, I like it already. It looks pretty cool. If I can get it out of the package with my cold hands, that'd be even better. This features a translucent jade colored G10 scales with a very, very deep carry pocket clip. And it's a, oh my goodness, a really, really smooth flipper. Frame lock, nice little kind of, I'm gonna call that one kind of a Asian design blade. you know, Japanese design maybe. It's got a thumb flipper too, but you know, why would you want to use that? Very, very nice. They're giving this one a $60 value, which seems pretty fair to me. It's a really nice knife. So we'll put it there like so. And that's the only item in the advanced, so that brings the advanced value to $184.97. I think that's around 60 bucks. The next level is a pro level, and at the pro level, you're gonna get everything obviously in the previous levels, plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is a pretty big deal. It's a Battlbox Spartan 32 2-day backpack. Okay, I just wanna show you this pack very quickly. You can see here it is, it's a Battlbox pack. Has a lot of MOLLE on the side. Turn around, it has contoured shoulder straps with MOLLE attachments on them also, and a sternum strap, a padded waist belt, again a little lumbar pad here. Turn around, it's got the MOLLE on both sides, has a top flap with a pocket in it, zip pocket, and then the front of it has more MOLLE with a center zipper, which is pretty cool. And you open that center zipper and there's a mesh pocket on both sides here, and then a big center pocket here. And there's a hydration loop here, grab handle on top. So pretty nice pack there for sure. They're giving this a $119 value, which brings the total value for the pro level box this month to $304.96. I think the pro level cost around 100 bucks. So they're knocking it out of the park so far. Finally, the top and final subscription level for Battlbox is the Pro Plus or Knife of the Month Club, where every month you get everything in the previous levels plus some kind of knife or tool. This month, the extra knife is a WE Knives 704X-R. And it's a Battlbox exclusive. It comes in this really cool little case here. Let's see what we got here. It's got a cool sticker and all that. Nice little cleaning cloth. And then let's see what's in it now. Oh, I'm gonna like this one too, I can tell you right now. It looks cool. So it is, wow. So this has got red G10 scales, kind of red with a nice little red backliner here. A tip up pocket carry, and it's a flipper knife. Let's see how smooth it is. I like me some flippers, and it's smooth. D2 steel. Very, very nice looking little knife. This is really cool. Giving us $119.99 value. Oh yeah, I like it. And that brings the total stated value for the Pro Plus this month, which I think is about 150 bucks cost, to $424.95. That is a stinking killer deal if you ask me. And you didn't, but I'm telling you anyway. So anyway, that's the Battlbox Mission 58. And thanks again to the folks at Battlbox for sending me these every month so I can show them to you and kind of build a library of past boxes. So if you're interested in checking it out further, you can kind of get an idea of what to expect. If you are interested in checking it out further, then be sure and check in the video description for a coupon code that will save you 10%. So anyway, thanks again for watching Survival on Purpose. I'd also like to invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and sign up for my weekly email newsletter, where every week I'll send you an email with all the previous week's videos, plus any news or information I think you might be interested in. And starting in 2020, we're going to be doing some special stuff just for the subscribers of the newsletter. So if you want to get involved in that, find out about it and be involved in it, then be sure and subscribe. You can also click the little square here with a knife in it, and that'll take you there. So I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.